Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Nationwide Building Society. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser and desktop. Then on the search field, search for nationwide.co.uk. Once you do that, you'll land onto an interface like this. Now in order to log in, go to the login tab that is on the right side of the site. And from the options, choose login to internet bank. Once you tap on it, you are directed to the login page of Nationwide. Now before getting started, let me tell you, you can only log into it if you have registered your account before. If you haven't enrolled for online banking, then go to the register now option here and tap on it in order to get started. Once you have registered your account, you can come back to this same site and then enter the credentials in order to log in. On the customer number box, type in your customer number that have been provided to you, then set your date of birth, and if you want this site to remember your details, go and tap on remember me. If you are on public or shared device, do not click on this box. Now after filling your information, go and tap on continue. By tapping on it, you will get an option now to log in. You can either log in with a pass number or a code sent to you by text, or you can log in with a debit card and card reader. Make a choice, then enter the details and tap on continue. And once you tap on it, you will have successfully logged into the Nationwide online banking. So this will wait for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.